Hello everyone! How are today? Teacher Jem Raymond is here. Another good news po mga teachers. May na-release na po na Special Allotment Release Order o SARO ang ating Department of Budget and Management or DBM as of August 14, 2024 para sa Department of Education patungkol sa performance-based bonus for fiscal year 2022 for school-based personnel. Ano kayang region ang narilisan na ng SARO as of August 14, 2024? 11:18 ng umaga. Now, tingnan po natin ito ng malapitan. As of August 14, 2024, bandang 11:18 ng umaga, nakareceive na nga po ang ating agency, ang Department of Education, ng Special Allotment Release Order o SARO, and this is intended for the release of allotment to cover the fiscal year 2022 performance-based bonus of the qualified school-based personnel na nagkakahalaga ng 1,111,034,799 pesos. At ano kaya ang region na naka-receive ng special allotment order na to? Congratulations po, DepEd National Capital Region or NCR for receiving your SARO for PBB 2022 for your school-based personnel. In the coming days, expected po na ang DBM ay magre-release na po ng NCA or Notice of Cash Allotment para sa mga schools ng DepEd NCR. So, yung NCA na yon ang magiging basihan ng mga bangko kung magkano labang yung allowable na cash na i-dispense ng each of the agency in the NCR for the performance-based bonus 2022. For other regions, intay-intay lang po tayo. For sure, in the coming days, our SARO for PBB 2022 will be released. Tiwala lang po tayo. That's all for this video, teachers. Thank you so much for watching and till next time. Keep safe, everyone!